Yo guys, Charlie, Boss Leo with their name, aka the Ghetto Youth Motivator, aka the Girls Dem Slayer. What's up, Charlie? This 2022, we for shine our eye. You see, we for take every little thing go contest inside. Every little thing we for calculate them. We for put them on a scale. See how important that thing be and the role that thing they play in your life. You dey bab that thing. Charlie, check the money you use in buying data alone. Well, if you don't know how to check that thing, then make I show you. If today you buy data 10 cedi, just write them somewhere. Tomorrow you buy 5 cedi, go write them. You buy 2 cedi, go write them. At the end of the month, underline them. Watch the amount you dey use dey buy data. Then you times them. Times 12, that be 1 year. Then you watch the money you use dey buy data. You dey buy, yes. The money which you dey use dey buy data alone no be small, no be joke. Then you go buy data, then you dey watch some unnecessary things where you know dey add any value to your life on social media. Charlie, shine your eye. That things nobody dey give you money. At the end of the day, you dey make those people rich by watching those things and wasting your time and your resources on. Man, guys, Charlie, as I go tell you every day, lottery no good oh. Lottery, I won't use lotto. I no wan go my bet because that one safe, but I won't use lotto. Lottery no good, lotto no good. Man, guys, the odds are against you. From 1 to 90, they say pick 2. We all want to win. 1 to 90, they say pick 2 before you win. Not even 1, oh man, guys, not even 1. They say pick 2. How will you know that from 1 to 90, this and this number will come? 2 or 4 will come, or 24, or 72. And they say pick 2, not even 1, before you win. The odds are against you. You see, the possibility of you winning that lottery no be easy. E no be easy, Charlie. So why you no go save that money you dey use dey stake the lottery wey dey chop you every day? You dey stake the lottery, your money dey go every day. Why you no go save that money? You no go save that money. You no go save that money. At the end of the month, you get that money. You go see what you go invest that money into, or you go see what you go fit take that money to, than staking lotto, trying to be rich fast. You see, the problem is we are all trying to get rich fast. We are all trying to get rich fast. But getting rich is very, very easy, but not fast. Getting rich, it is very easy, but not fast. It all goes down to the little life choices you make. While somebody you and somebody go work, they pay you people 2,000 each. Whilst the person you then go work, taking 2,000, go buy mobile money prepaid, say make they do mobile money give am. You dey understand? Then you take your 2,000, go dey Labadi beach, dey chill your 2,000. At the end of the day, you go blow your 2,000. The space to space person to go get interest on the money. The money dey go sound bond. That money go sound bond give am. At the end of the day, that person will be comfortable in life, where you go fit dey control in what your destiny and your financial freedom will be with somebody, or it will depend on somebody. They always have to employ you, or they always have to give you job before you get money to go to your Labadi beach, or you get money to spend, or you get money to eat. Think about it. Me, I dey tell you, everything I dey tell you must be common sense. You dey bab, must be common sense, man. Guys, sit down and think about it. You go see say what I dey tell you be true. Getting rich no be fast. It be easy, but it all depends on the little life choices you make. So man, guys, shine your eye if you want make money this 2022. Don't dey waste your money on unnecessary things, Charlie. Money is hard to come by these days. For Ghana, we dey suffer, e no be easy. We dey bad. My Nigerian guys to the same, then dey suffer, e no be easy. then you go get money, then you dey waste that money on lotto, you dey waste that money on my bet. If dem chop you, then you faint. Somebody send you, somebody ask you say go stake that lotto. Man, guys, shine your also guys, Charlie, you know say you go fit make money without spending money. You know that thing. See, if we now let our skin dey catch us, so you see am. If we now dey let our skin catch us, every time you wan go chop for Starbite, you wan go chop for KFC, you wan go chop for here, you wan go chop for this restaurant, where you go buy one plate of rice like 60 cedi, 80 cedi, some be 50 cedi. Let's say the cheapest be 30-35 cedi. You dey bab. Whilst they sell that same rice for supermarket like 7 cedi, 8 cedi. So why you no go buy that rice? Then you can't cook am. Then you yourself, you do your thing, then you chop your thing. Charlie, the more you eat out, the more frequently you eat out, the more frequently you waste money. Think about it, Charlie. Me, everything I dey tell you be common sense. You dey understand? If you think say I dey lie, you yourself sit down, think about it, take go thinking inside, think about it deep. You go see say the suffering you dey suffer or be you yourself. See, me I dey tell people say we no dey work hard to make money and spend it. We work hard to make money to invest. So if you dey make money where you no dey fit invest am, but you dey make money where you dey spend am, you dey make money where you dey spend am, you go reach some stage, or you go reach some time, the money no go come again, or you no go come like e dey used to come. If you no invest am, my brother, what are you going to do? I have money before, or I was once rich. See, somebody go talk say you no get head, you dey bab. Charlie, make we no dey waste our money. We go fit make money without wasting money. That Starbite, then you dey go sit for some fancy restaurant, or in the name of giving pressure. Charlie, you know they make sense, man, guy. You know they make sense. Make you reason up, make you wise up. Yeah, because if your skin catch you, nobody will be there to save you. That be how the world is. If you know that thing, you know how to manage your money. Yo, man, guys, Charlie, you don't say you know they need a new car. You know that thing. Yes, buying a new car, it's not important. Buying a fancy car, it's not important. All you need is a dependable transport, something that can carry you from A to B without any problem on the way, without any chichi on the way. That be what you need, a dependable transport. You dey bab that thing. Yes, if you waste most of your money on vehicles right now, instead of you investing until you get tired, and you are wasting your investment money on vehicles, on cars, man, guy, you are making your future very, very, very poor. In future, you become a very poor man, and you wouldn't understand. Because bro, I been here, but no be only old lady they do you. If you yourself no plan your future, you dey bab. Stop wasting your money in buying fancy cars and buying. Before you go buy fancy car, or before you go buy a new car, then you put your what? You invest money where they come from all angles. They come to you in a month, no be joke. So even if you go take new cars too, so if you know say your worth go germinate money to pay for those cars. You know be when you dey start life, you know be when you dey build life, you know be when you dey fight in life, then you dey use the small money you dey earn. Instead of you for invest them, then take do something better. You take dey buy fancy cars, you take dey buy new cars, you take dey buy cars. You dey waste all your money on vehicles which are they are not important to you. And guys, Charlie, you for make our future bright. Yeah, yo guys, Boss Leo be the name, aka the Ghetto Youth Motivator, aka the Girls Dem Slayer. What's up, Charlie? Things that are killing, man, guys. things that are killing man guys. Stop buying things you don't need all because you can afford them. Stop buying things you don't need because you get money, you go fit afford them, so you dey buy am. That things dey make you poorer and poorer and poorer. But instead, keep your money or save your money. Start to plan on what you want to use your money for. Invest, build your wealth. You get it? If you build your wealth where you reach some certain stage where you know say right now you have more than enough, nothing go fit shake you financially, that is when you dey buy something you feel say oh, this thing be nice for buy. But e no be when financially you no be stable, then you see something because of the thing fine, or because of the thing fine you, so you just take money then you go buy am. E dey make you more poorer and poorer and poorer and poorer. You get that thing?